There's no more wicked politicians than the St. Lucia Labour Party politicians.
While campaigning in Micoud North, the United Workers' Party's deputy political leader, Guy Joseph, voiced his support for the party's endorsed candidate and delivered sharp criticism of the St. Lucia Labour Party, SLP.
Hodia, Labour ka pretend yo kontra Micoud. Labour hates Micoud. And you know that. Now, I will also want you to know, if a government cannot stop crime, a government must never be seen as a facilitator of crime.
Joseph cast aspersions on the SLP administration's crime-fighting efforts, accusing them of failing to curb the island's escalating violence.
And how did Tyson die? Have Labour answered these questions? Now, no commissioner should go on leave before he can answer these questions. Spider, is you they had tell what work you do already for you to go on leave? Well, my Labour the commissioner, ki hai hafe. Because crime is spiraling out of control in this country.
Joseph also questioned the recent High Court ruling that struck down laws on buggery and gross indecency with inaccurate claims about the government.
We have to pray. We have to seek divine intervention, because the powers we are fighting against is not ordinary powers of mankind. These fellas are led by evil forces. You doubt me? You see this latest law that they are not objecting to? There is no greater abomination in any country. Yes, in Sodom and Gomorrah, the men were burning inside them with lust for other men. Now, I want to know whether our cabinet passed these laws for themselves.
The St. Lucia government had no direct involvement in the legal challenge that resulted in the striking down of colonial-era laws against same-sex intimacy, meaning one cannot be charged and serve 10 years in prison if convicted. The case was initiated and pursued by a private citizen, not by the government. The government's role was limited to the Attorney General, who defended the existing law in court, ultimately losing the case. This means the government did not seek to overturn the law. It was the court that made the final decision based on a challenge from a private individual and activist. But Joseph did not stop there.
So the Labour Party, with Philip J. You didn't remember when you all passed the law to legalize abortion, that when you legalize abortion, you're really reducing population growth?
In St. Lucia, the criminal code bans abortion, though exceptions are made for medical emergencies, rape, or incest. The United Workers' Party's campaign rhetoric in recent times has been marked by veiled anti-LGBT messaging, with some speakers citing religion and the Bible.
We are a conservative country. We are a Christian country. And we must never allow the wickedness that Labour Party is perpetuating to put us off track. We are bringing a curse upon our country